Okay, so we're at 4826 Southeast Brookside Drive doing a video inspection of the sewer line. We're out 58 feet from the cleanout in the front yard. Let's put this out at the city main in the street. Okay, so there's the city main. I'm going to go ahead and pull this back and take a look at the line. Concrete pipe looks good. There is a little bit of water here standing in the pipe, but it's not enough to cause a problem. This is out in the street. Okay, so here at 30 feet, we have an offset joint. You can see that the pipe has come out of the bell. So on the top right of the screen, you can see how it's kind of separated there. This could allow dirt and stuff to get in the line. It's hard to tell if that is happening at this point or not. But that is the problem. It's 7.5 feet deep here. It's about 3 or 4 feet from the curb, so it's in the grass area. Like I said, 7.5 feet deep. It's marked in white paint. You can see this joint has roots growing in it as well, and there's water getting in through that joint, so there's a good enough crack in that joint that it's allowing water to come through the top of the pipe. Got roots at the next joint. So this joint has some roots getting through as well. So this joint here, if you see on the top of the screen, it looks like the pipe is cracked where the roots are coming in. There's quite a separation there where the roots are coming through, where the pipe is separated. This definitely could lead to dirt getting in the line and problems with the line. This part is also marked in white paint. It's right off of the front of the house, 32 inches deep. And then right here you can see this rusty pipe is cast iron. You know, more of the red color is the cast iron pipe. So where it connects here, there's a bit of an offset where roots are coming through. See, there's a lip where you have to come up. So those roots are starting to do quite a bit of damage to the pipe here. It's lifted the pipe and pulled it apart there, cracked it at the top of that. So as the rotating cable comes through, it's cleaned out the majority of those roots. Those there are the ones that will just flop back and forth when you run the cable by. And the largest cutter you can put through a 3-inch access is a 3-inch cutter, and then you've got a 4-inch pipe. So it's going to clean out 90% of those roots, but it can't clean them all. Trailer jet with high pressure water could remove those roots, but the problem isn't necessarily the roots, but it's the damage the roots are doing to the pipe. It could allow some dirt to get through and continue to be a problem. you can see here, this is where those roots are getting through, and then the front yard. The front yard over by the curb is where that second spot where those where that pipe is separated. So this line is definitely having some damage from those roots. Could be a problem where it'll back up fairly regularly until you get that fixed. Sometimes, depending on how much debris or dirt or rocks get in the line, it could back up faster than others. But this is definitely something that needs repaired and is going to continue to give problems, cause backups. So that concludes our inspection of 4826 Southeast Brookside Drive.